Okay, there's a carpenter's tool chest for on the ship. Put everything you have. Okay, and your square right there. One square missing there. But everything had its place. Nice box. Okay, and here you have some more display right there. Look at that. And they done their work there. There's one of the old benches. Look at that. Ooh.
This is a diddy bag and some of its contents contain tools and materials needed by a seaman at work, particularly when working on the ship's rigging.
All right, and this must be for coffee, huh? What a beautiful pot. Look at that. Look at the design on that. Very nice.